Hey, it's Saturday, May 2nd. We are in the throes of May. It's great. It's fantastic to be in May now. I hope you're having a great Saturday, and we're going to get into this. We got our warm-up here, 4-minute AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 4 minutes. 2 strict press, 2 push press, 2 push jerk. Okay, so this is our press progression. Okay, we're going through here, so take your time with this. This is skill work. You're trying to be efficient and move well through this, okay? Don't need to load this up with as heavy as possible weight, trying to press those 100-pound dumbbells you got at home over your head. There's only a handful of people I know that even have 100-pound dumbbells at home. But let's go. And then 6 air squats, 6 dumbbell deadlifts, 3 deadlifts with dumbbells on the outside, and 3 in a sumo, okay? So you're gonna do 3 conventional stance, feet underneath the shoulders, and then moving out wider, do 3 with the dumbbells in the middle of the body, okay? So going through this for 4 minutes, which is great. It should take you about a minute, so possibly 4 rounds of this warm-up, okay? If you need to change weight on those dumbbells after the first round, go ahead and do so. All right, so let's get into our workout today. Okay, here we are with our Saturday workout, our Metcon here. We're gonna go 4 sets, as many rounds as possible in 4 minutes, okay? So we're gonna go through this circuit, rest until the next 4 minutes starts, and we'll do that 4 times, okay? So I'm gonna rest 1 minute. So here we go. 4 dumbbell shoulder overhead, 4 air squats, 4 dumbbell burpees. Now, if you don't have dumbbells at home, you're going to, you can use a backpack, sandbag. Ideally, you would not use a barbell for this, okay? Because you can't do barbell burpees, even though I have in the past. They're awkward as hell to do, okay? So let's go shoulder to overhead. Now that means the movements that we practice in the warm-up, the press, the push press, and the push jerk. Any of those go, all right? 4 air squats, 4 dumbbell burpees. That means you're gonna hold on to the dumbbells when you go down to the ground, do your push-up, but when you jump up, you're gonna hold the dumbbells by your side. Your hand, normally we clap over the head, but here you're just going to jump holding the dumbbells, okay? Then you go through 4 minutes, and then you rest 1 minute, okay? So that's essentially 5 minutes around, doing that 4 times, that's 20 minutes for this workout, okay? Make sure you get plenty of water in between rounds, and you've got enough room to do those burpees, okay? All right, so this is an awesome one. Let's, there's no optional finisher here, okay? But if you're in one of the Zoom calls Saturday, so this is with Abby, you're probably gonna go through a nice little cool down, okay? All right, so let's go through movement demos next.